England comes out of its second lockdown this week. And not everyone is happy about what happens next. In this video, we discuss England's tier restrictions, and what you can and cannot do. We explain what England's lockdown tiers mean, and where they apply. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and click that bell, to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. While everyone sighed in great relief at the news that England's second national lockdown would finally end, the announcement that it was to be replaced with tougher regional restrictions left a stark reminder that the pandemic is not yet over, and hopefully, things will get better soon. Authorities are asking everyone to remain vigilant and to stick with the progress made with the recommended health guidelines, so as not to undo the sacrifice we put in during the lockdown. The following criteria were used to base the decision on regional restrictions. The case rates in all age groups. In particular, cases among the over 60s. The rate at which cases are rising or falling. The positivity rate. And the pressures on the local NHS. Starting 2nd of December, England will be placed in the following tier restrictions. Tier 3, very high alert. Indoor hospitality businesses will close except for takeaway, and all indoor entertainment venues will be closed. Areas which have been placed in Tier 3 include the following areas in the North East. Tees Valley Combined Authority. North East Combined Authority. Northwest. Yorkshire and the Humber. West Midlands. East Midlands. South East. Southwest. Tier 2, high alert. Bars and restaurants can only serve alcohol alongside a substantial meal. Indoor and outdoor sports venues are open with limited numbers. Business events can resume. The following regions are currently in Tier 2. In the Northwest. North Yorkshire. West Midlands. East Midlands. East of England. London. All 32 boroughs, plus the City of London. South East. Southwest. Tier 1, medium alert. In Tier 1, people are allowed limited travel, and are to work from home where possible. Bars and restaurants can only serve alcohol alongside a substantial meal. Indoor and out sports venues are open with limited numbers. Business events can resume. In the South East, only the Isle of Wight. In the Southwest, Cornwall and the Isles of Scilly. A brief reprieve will be allowed for Christmas, as 3 households are permitted to form temporary Christmas bubbles, on 23rd until 27th of December. Travelling anywhere in the UK is also allowed during Christmas. What are your thoughts on these new measures? Comment below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe or the UK, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.